I'm like to read. I read a lot of book, story, novel. So I found that I am more comfortable with the reading test.
I try to Google as much as I can on the scientific article, because in the real test, all the essay, all the passages come from the scientific source. So the more I read, the better I will be familiar with the big work, the difficult work, right, and the structure.
Some people start with the reading, but I start with the questions and just scan through, the questions to see what they expect us to get the information and underline the keyword. And during the reading one, when you start reading the text, most of the students, they have the habit of translating into Vietnamese in order to understand what it means, what this word means. So my tip's gonna be it's not always good to translate things. If there's something that you don't understand, just not skipping it, but you understood the word as the X meaning and keep reading. Because once you can spot the keyword, probably you can spot the answer very quickly.
The toughest part is the vocabulary, but in my opinion, you shouldn't study the word itself. You should learn how it forms. For example, there's no such things as a difficult word. The word to me is a group of little particles of little words. So I learned about the Latin root of the word. For example, valedictorian. So I didn't know what it was about, but I know vale is the Latin root for priority, and dictorian, dict means say, and the torian is some kind of is a modification for a person. So it's about a priority person who says something. So it was close enough.